Many digital tabletop applications have been developed to support complex domains. Automation can help manage complex tasks and update information in these domains. However, users may be confused by the changes introduced by the automation because they were interrupted by the collaborators or they were focusing on the events of interest. Users may not be able to see the entire tabletop very well due to the large size. To improve situation awareness of changes driven by the system, we propose an interactive event timeline that allows exploration of historical events. It is persistent, so users can interact with it at any time, and it fits into a person's field of view. We use a collaborative digital tabletop board game, Pandemic, as a case study to enable a rapid prototyping process. And we base our timeline design on task analysis for experienced to expert Pandemic players. In Pandemic, 3 to 4 players work together to control the disease spread and collect cards to win. Here is the zoom-in map and a timeline. At the top of the timeline, the overview shows the players' turns so far. Black for setup, then orange and green. It's the orange player's turn now. In the content view, as the player moves around and treats diseases, we see these actions being logged on the timeline one by one. The system automates the next 2 phases and play animation of the results. The second row represents new cards drew for the player, and the third row for the new diseases added, which players need to stay aware of to make the optimal strategy. When players tap on the game events, the city is highlighted on the board and shown next to the timeline in the side window. The players can drag the viewport at the top to choose the player turns they want to see, and they can interact with the game events.